Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. So today, me, Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy going to be watching a early classic video from 2014. Yeah, to show how the cameraman comes a long way at first. Yep, indeed. Exactly. So, Freddy, what are we watching for today? Well, Bonnie, I found this video online. This one is called Lego Red Train Crashes into Gray Truck from November of 2014. Oh yeah, that was like 12 years ago. Anyways, let's get watching. And to see what happens. Alright, just gonna click the video. The train seems to be moving very slow at first. Let's just see what happens. Okay, here we go. Oh, now it's going faster. Oh ho 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 ho! Ouch! It looks like that hurt. That really hurts. Yeah, I know. Now that's a very painful accident. It sure is. Yep. And what I'm very surprised about is the Lego truck did not fall apart. It just stayed very strong because Legos were designed to keep the pieces very stronger.
Could somebody move that truck out of the way?
Wow, Freddy, did you hear that voice? Oh yeah, it was back then, from back in 2014. Yep, the cameraman sure come a long way ever since 2014, back when he was very shy, into absolutely feeling open. So, cameraman, how did you come a long way until you felt comfortable and confident with the video? Well, you see, Bonnie, back then in 2014, I was very shy when I first started the YouTube channel, but now I'm a lot more open and confident to make more videos these days. Oh yeah, that's right.
Exactly.
Yep, especially during Five Nights at Freddy's golden years. Yep, soon in August of this year, Five Nights at Freddy's game going to be celebrating the 12th anniversary. Wow, we come a long way back then. Yep, from feeling very creepy and scary into absolutely popular. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this video from the past? It was back when the office looks just like this.
That sounds a good crash.
Is that what the cameraman thinks? It's also back then when he's got the steam along Thomas from the water tower set. That's where the conductor of this train have survived on this one, and so does the car of the van.
Passengers were survived.
Oh yeah, it was filmed back when it was filmed on the iPad. On a very old iPad, that is. So anyways, what do you think about this video from the past? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. So anyways, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos that you might be familiar with. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for the support of all the years and years that we have. Yep, we have some good memories. Indeed. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.